It looks like OpenAI heard all the complaints about the way they rolled out the Teams plan, and now they're giving us a really good option here to merge our Plus account with the Teams plan. So what was going on is I had a ChatGPT Plus account. That's $20 a month. Then they rolled out a Teams plan that required a minimum of 2 people. So that was $30 each. So that was another $60 a month. So then I was paying 60 plus the 20. So why am I paying the personal account? They separated the two. They kept them separate for some reason. But now you could basically merge the two so you could cancel your Plus and only pay for Teams, which has better option, better version of GPT in the background. It has more message per every 3 hours. All the stuff I covered in the other video about Teams. So merge your Plus workspace data into your Teams. Before you do this, let me just read through what they wrote because it could be a little bit tricky. Right now, if you do that and someone kicks you out of that workspace, your Teams account, if you're not the primary account holder, in this case, I am the primary and I have someone else on it, but if you're not, you get kicked out, you lose everything, including everything your personal. So your personal goes into the Teams account. So be careful if you don't have full access to that. Maybe you do want to keep them separate. Now it says migrating your personal workspace will transfer your chat history and GPTs. Awesome. I'm assuming this is the public GPTs too. We'll go ahead and test it out. But it will delete other information such as custom instructions. Okay, we need to make sure you copy your custom instructions somewhere safe. And plugins, well, that's okay. I don't really use plugins now that GPTs came out. After merging your Plus subscription, this is the personal one, will be canceled and refunded, and your personal workspace will be deleted. And then up here, it does say you can keep them separate. It says you're welcome to keep personal workspace separate the way they rolled it out in the first place. But the bill here is getting to be a little bit too high, right? I have the $80 basically now I'm paying for ChatGPT. I'm paying for Copilot, that's $20. The Copilot, the new Plus program. I'm paying for Claude, that's another $20. Midjourney, Kyber, all kinds of different subscription plans are really adding up. So I want to make sure that I take advantage of this new thing that they rolled out. So let me show you how it's done. I'm going to do the merging. I want to make sure all the GPTs from my personal actually do transfer over. The store ones that I have in the store are still there. So hopefully nothing breaks here. So click your profile icon and you should have a personal account if you have ChatGPT Plus and a Teams account. Again, this is only relevant for people that have those two and they want to merge so they don't pay for two. Now, you have to be in your Teams in order to get the merge option. You can't be in your personal. So what I recommend is let me first go to my personal and I'm going to go to my custom instructions and I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste these over into a note or something because I took some time here to build these out on how I want ChatGPT to respond. I did make a video about these previously. Okay, because we're going to lose these on the personal account. Now let's go back to the Teams. And while I'm under Teams, now I'm on a different account. I'm going to go under settings. And right over here, let's go to data control. And there's this option, merge data from your personal workspace. It does say in the email that I just was reading you, this is irreversible. Make sure you do want to do this. So I probably should keep them both, but I do want to make this video. So I will go ahead and merge. And it says, here's my personal workspace. It's going to go to Skill Leap AI. Well, this is my company, so that's okay. But if you're a member in a different workspace, maybe you just want to take your personal workspace and downgrade to the free GPT to 3.5. So it still keeps it personal and work, and you're still only paying for the team. So that might be another option. Transfer your existing data is permanent and cannot be undone. Your chat history, GPTs in your personal workspace will be migrated. That's really all I care about here. I want GPTs in my personal workspace. I want to keep these. Your plugins and custom instructions will be deleted. Okay, I already saved my custom instructions. If you have a GPT Plus subscription, it will be canceled and refunded upon merging. You will lose access to your data if you leave or are removed from the teams. Okay, that's the one I've mentioned multiple times. Let's confirm. Okay, that was it. Let's look here. And the personal is gone. So now I have that. Now let me check my GPTs. Hopefully they're there. And let me take a look. Okay, this one's from my workspace and these are from my personal. Here's the one from the store. Okay, good. They're all there. So the migration worked. Let's go to custom instructions. Okay, these are gone. So let me press OK. There we go. We got the blank one. So copy and paste these back. Okay, I'm going to save these. And it looks like under my profile builder, it actually removed the domains that I had verified. So that did not say that it was going to do that, but I don't have any verified domains now. So I have to go through this process again. I had set this up on my personal account. So unfortunately, I have to verify my domains so they could link in the GPT store. My public GPTs were to generate leads for my business with this link, but they're gone now. So I'll just do that part. I wish they had mentioned that. So I had set this up previously, but they did not. Okay, so what I recommend is if you don't have the Teams account, if it's not your account, you didn't set it up, you're part of someone else's Teams account or workspace, I recommend you don't merge and you take your GPT Plus account and make it free to GPT 3.5, or just keep paying for it if you want to just totally have a separate thing for your personal and your work. But if it's your own Teams account, in this case, it was my Teams account, no one could kick me out. I created it, I'm paying for it. I'm paying for the other members in there too. Then I did the merge. Now I'm going to use the Teams account. I'm not going to use the personal accounts. If I want to create a new personal one, I'll create a free one so I'm not double paying here. A lot of people were confused why they weren't just being upgraded from Plus to Teams, and they all of a sudden had two different accounts that they were paying for. So this looks like a solution to that problem. So unfortunately, sometimes they roll these out sort of in beta without much testing, and then they have to fix it very quickly. But I really love how fast they move, even though sometimes it kind of breaks things in the process. But looks like they come up with a solution very quickly. I'll see you on the next video.